Warm welcome here with the latest on India Today. I'm Preeti Chaudhary and our top focus story where protest against the tragic suicide of a research scholar in the University of Hyderabad reached the national capital. Students staged protests outside the HRD minister's residence in the capital. The protesters are demanding that a case of murder be registered against the Vice-Chancellor of the university and a CBI probe now be conducted into the events that led to the student's suicide. All right, so these visuals were recorded just a short while ago where the protest was taking place outside the HRD ministry, students demanding that the Vice-Chancellor be booked for murder and on the other hand a CBI probe be constituted into what exactly transpired which led to a Dalit student in the Hyderabad University committing suicide. Well, the police, when things clearly got a little out of hand, the police had to resort to mild force and the use of water cannons. The students have now been dispersed. They have been huddled in buses and taken to the nearest police station where they will be detained for a few hours before they are let off. I believe my colleague Anando is on the phone line with us. Anando, would you get us up to speed with the latest developments? We believe that the police have succeeded in clearing the area.
That's right, Preeti, you are absolutely right. The situation some 10 minutes back was absolutely chaotic, but as we speak, a scene is under control outside Shastri Bhavan that houses not only MHRD, against which ministry we are protesting, but also a lot of plethora of ministries that is inside Shastri Bhavan. Right now, as we speak, almost all the protesters have been detained and taken to Parliament Street police station. But even as we speak, there are isolated groups of protesters that are trickling in to support express their solidarity by protesting in two different bills. But that is not significant enough to be a matter of concern for the law and order machinery.
All right, stay with me, Ananda, because what we will do is we'll immediately cut across to the ground report that you filed.
The scene outside Shastri Bhavan has turned absolutely nasty. All the students' body who have been protesting here ever since this afternoon have been protesting for demanding justice for the student that committed suicide yesterday in University of Hyderabad. They say that they allege that probably because of his Dalit background he was forced to take this extreme step. But as the protesters were taking law into their own hands, trying to throw bricks, trying to throw stones and breaching this barricade which the Delhi police put up, then this water cannon has been started spraying on them because they started taking law in their own hands, and that's when Delhi police says that probably it can be a matter of law and order, and that's when water cannon has been sprayed and Delhi police started mild lathi charging, because that's when this is Shastri Bhavan that not only holds the Ministry of Human Resource Development but also various ministries, various union ministers stay inside. So that's a risk that they couldn't take, and that's why they have been clamped down heavily right now in New Delhi. With Sanjay Chaudhary, Anindya Banerjee for India Today.
All right, the story is playing out at two levels. One, of course, in the national capital where these protests are taking place, and of course, ground zero, Hyderabad. Before we cut across to Hyderabad, one quick comment coming in from Anando, my colleague who's been covering this protest. Anando, have you been able to speak to the students' body? Most of them seem to be from ISA, which is the student body of the left. And on the other hand, is there a concerted demand that these students' body have where the HRD ministry is concerned?
That's true. I mean, they have demand Preeti that Bangaru Dattatreya should be booked, because that they feel that Union Minister Bangaru Dattatreya was involved. He actually wrote a letter to the MHRD, who in turn forwarded that letter to the university that post that 5 Dalit students, including the one who committed suicide yesterday, to take this extreme step. So that's one. And two, they also say that what was the need for the MHRD to forward the letter. Also, action should be taken against officials involved in the MHRD. So that is a twofold demand that has been unanimous across student bodies at this point of time. Preeti?
All right. Thank you for joining us, Ananda, with that quick update.
और वो चल पड़ा, और चलने के पहले उसने ढेर सारी चीजों का अध्ययन किया होगा, टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप की होगी, और नया एक उसने